Is inflation continuing to cool? Well, the October Consumer Price Index, also known as CPI, showed price gains came in line with expectations. Headline CPI, well, that increased 2.6% compared to last year, and core CPI, which excludes food and energy, climbed 3.3%. The headline CPI was above September's reading of 2.4%, and core CPI matched September's reading of 3.3%. According to economists, the monthly inflation rate in October 2023 was unusually low, which then made the October 2024 reading look relatively high. Hopefully this means we will see further progress in the months ahead, as core CPI has not shown much progress as of late, as it has been stuck at 3.2 or 3.3% since May's reading of 3.4%. While much of this sounds problematic, there are not many areas of concern when looking at the inflation report. The major issue continues to be shelter, which rose 4.9% compared to last year and accounted for over 65% of the annual increase in core CPI. I continue to believe shelter inflation will eventually resolve itself, which would then bring the major inflation measures more in line with the Fed's desired level. Now, when I say it should resolve itself, I've been saying that for months, but eventually I'm confident it will. Powell even said during a press conference, market rents, newly signed leases, well, those are experiencing very low inflation. He also mentioned the current shelter inflation readings are due to a catch-up problem, and it's not really reflecting current inflationary pressures. I do believe with this report, a December cut looks more likely, but that would not leave room for as many cuts in 2025. Based on the current data, I believe a Fed funds rate around 3.5% would be a fair level, and that compares to a current Fed funds rate of 4.5% to 4.75%. That means if there's a cut in December, we could be looking at maybe just 3 or 4 rate cuts next year. Obviously, that's subject to change as new data comes in. That's kind of what I'm looking at now. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management, and be sure to stay ahead in the investment world by subscribing to our YouTube channel and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.